Hey guys, uwi na kami guys. Up to Manila guys. Back to Leyte. Pordoy na kami guys. Minghoy liter na guys. Hi guys. Back reality na guys. Wala na guys. Pordoy na. Bankrupt na guys. Ito na. Pasay. Tapos sa South Inlex na kami dadaan guys. Bye Manila guys. Bye 5 AM kami umalis sa tinarahan namin na hotel guys. Ito na. Tapos na yung masasayang araw namin guys. Polo liter na kami guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.